Hey guys, this is a quick video. I've been here during the day already, and if you could just hear them, hear this. We've been here in the past checking out the ducks and everything. Just listen to them. Wow. It's so wet. As I came here, all of them are going backwards. I wish the camera I could have seen everything, but this is the sound of it. It's dark out here. Last night in the snowstorm when I passed, I've never seen so many of them out here like this. As soon as I came here, they're all going backwards. They keep going back this direction. All of them, and it's so weird that all the way from down there all the way to down there, it seems like the language they're speaking right now, they're all going back. What did I do? Did I break your meditation? Anyways, I don't wanna stay out here. Probably they see the light on them from my camera. But listen, now they're all moving to the left. Some moving to the left, some moving to the right, and some still going up. That water is probably cold. How do they do it? Listen to this. Please like, share, subscribe. The ducks are at it. The geese, everything that's in the pond right now, I don't know, but here it is. Sweet champ music. Have a good night, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. And I'm out. Home time.